So, what do you see in the picture? It's a map of the country Canada. As you can see, it says Canada through the seasons. It says the weather is very different in this large country. Canada is very large. So there's something to do for everyone in every season. مردم فعالیت مختلف میتونن داشته باشن تو هر قسمت این کشور. هوا تو فصل مختلف متفاوته. We're going to read about Canada's different cities, different parts of Canada, okay? And after reading that, we're going to answer these questions, all right?
Reading. Canada through the seasons. The weather is very different in this large country, so there's something to do for everyone in every season.
Spring can arrive in February in Victoria on the west coast. In other parts of Canada, it gets warm in early April, and spring weather continues until June. In British Columbia, you can kayak, camp, or take a train trip through the Rocky Mountains. Summer brings warm to hot weather from May to September. This is a great time to fish in one of Canada's many lakes. Kayak among whales in Churchill, Manitoba, or have some Wild West fun at the Calgary Stampede. Fall brings cool temperatures in September and October. It's a good time of year to see the fall leaves in eastern Canada, enjoy hiking, visit museums, or go to the Toronto International Film Festival. Snow begins to fall in November, and temperatures drop. Days are short in winter, but you can ski, go to an ice festival, or see the northern lights. In parts of British Columbia, the snow doesn't stay long, and you can golf all year.
So, according to the reading, it says hiking is great in, very good, September and October. Hiking is great in September and October, according to the reading in Canada. In some parts of, tourists can golf all year. So, what part of what city? Very good. British Columbia. In some parts of British Columbia, tourists can golf all year. Number 3, the Gap is a great time to fish. So, when is a good time? When is a great time to fish? Summer. Summer is a great time to fish. And number 4, tourists can kayak in what seasons? In spring and summer. There were some new words also in this reading. We had the word coast. Coast is the area where the land meets the sea. ساحل یا کرانه for coast. Kayak, a type of light boat, usually for one person. Repeat, please. Kayak. Kayak. Light is the opposite of heavy. Okay? Northern lights, colored lights that are seen in the most northern parts of the world. شفق‌های قطبی رو بهشون میگیم northern lights. And also we had these, the first one says, temperature drops. When the temperature drops, it becomes less. It reduces. دما میاد پایین. Through means from one side of an area to the other side. And among, this is how, as you can see in the picture, this is how between and among are different. Between is for two people and among a group of people. Okay? The baby is between his mother and his dad, and this girl is among other classmates. This is it. Now, imagine you can visit Canada according to the information you had. When and where would you go and why?